Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I have a set of mirrors here from KEMIMOTO. Now these are, I got them for the CT125, but they should work on a lot of other bikes besides the CT125. That it's not actually for a CT125, but the cool part about these are they're mirrors that you can fold in when you go into places like brush and stuff. You can fold in, or if you crash, they're more apt to fold in instead of breaking your mirrors off. So you can see the instructions here. It comes with some adapters and kind of like ram mounts, 1-inch ball mounts. Let's take them out of the package here. So this is going to be one of the mirrors. And they're good looking mirrors. You see the ball mount, 1-inch ball here, 1-inch ball here. And then we just adjust and they pivot them wherever you want them, tighten them back down. Super cool, kind of locking that here. Let's stick these on the CT125, see how they look. So also in the package we have a couple different clamps. These will fit 7/8 bars, and they're actually mounts in case you don't have them. You could use these. And then we have all these adapters depending on the size of the mirror mounts that you have to make them fit. So first off, I want to remove the stock mirror, and I have little mirror extensions on this CT125, but you don't have to have those. It's just something I got on here. Now to remove them, you need two 14mm wrenches. We will need an adapter here to make this work. So take out the left-hand thread one and put in this right-hand thread one, because both of these mirrors are right-hand thread. Like so. Now we got the right-hand thread adapter in there, and we should be able to put the mirror right in. Perfect. Very simple to install these, so pretty much anybody can do this. Not like it's a difficult thing to do. So we're going to run these down. Now we'll take this, hold it with our second wrench here, and tighten up the lock nut here to hold it in place. You don't have to worry about where you position this because you have the ram ball to adjust and set the mirrors wherever you want. Like so. Set the mirror about like that for now. Don't have to be perfect. I'll adjust it whenever I'm riding. And there we go. Man, that looks really good. These are kind of like another brand, a popular brand that you can get, and hopefully they're just as good. I don't see why they wouldn't be. We'll go ahead and put the one on the other side. Okay, to make this work, because I only had one adapter that wasn't left-hand thread, this is left-hand thread. These are right-hand thread, so I had to adapt again from left to right-hand thread. So I had to take out this little extension, which I really don't need, especially with these two being tall. I didn't want the extension and that. So the good thing about it is they send enough stuff with these that you should always have an option to where you can make them work. That's the good part. And so this adapter is left to right-hand thread. And as I said, that's the good thing about them sending all the adapter options. Pretty much you'll have a way to make it work. Now we can put this part on and tighten it down. More than one way to skin a cat. Now, that should fix us up. This thing adjusted around here where I want it. So I want to flip this over because I want these wing nuts to the side like that. I want them back to where I can get to them when I'm on the bike. Didn't want them facing toward the front. That one already is. There we go. That should be good now. Sweet. Okay guys, there we go. We got them installed. KEMIMOTO folding mirrors. Super cool. 1-inch ram ball mount. So if you use ram ball stuff, that's pretty cool. And I use everything ram ball. As you can see, there's a ram ball here. This is all ram mount. This is a KEMIMOTO mount here, ram mount. But looking real good on here. I like that. So these ought to be real handy. The cool part is with these, if you're going out in the brush, you don't want to be banging your mirrors. It's kind of like the ones on my 300L. I can just actually fold these in. And now when I'm going to the brush, I don't tear my mirrors up, crash, or whatever, and you tear them off. And then when you get back out on the road where you're safe, you can fold them back out like this, tighten them back up. So super cool. There you guys go, KEMIMOTO. I will post a link in the description where you can check these out. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and ride on.